Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. 2021 has just begun, and even though it's just a month old, but still we are very enthusiastic about the fact that we have to invest, we have to save a lot more money, we have to become much more responsible with our investments, because we all have learned it the hard way in the year 2020, because we all have faced cash crunch, we all have faced job losses, we have faced a lot of business losses, and we all now are aware about the fact that it's extremely important that you take care of your money, and if at all you want to become rich, it's extremely important that you do not work for money, but rather make money work for you. And you can do that by choosing the right kind of investment option. But there are so many ways in which you can make investments in our country today, and which is the best investment option is always a question that keeps a lot of people awake at midnight. So in this video, we will bring a solution to you, because in this video we'll cover all the possible investment options that are available in our country today. So one by one we'll have a look at all these particular investment options. So which investment option has which kind of benefits, which investment option will be suitable for you, which investment option is for which duration, whether it has any kind of tax benefit, whether it has any kind of minimum duration, etc, etc. All the aspects will be covered in this one single video. So I would request you to please be patient and watch this entire video, because this video is indeed going to be very informative, and tomorrow if at all you are going to have a conversation with a lot of people around you, it can be your colleagues, your friends, you will always be able to give them some interesting trivia and interesting fun facts about investment options that are available in our country. So without a further ado, let's get to the table. So if you notice over here, we have 6 columns, and each column has its own significance. The first column is basically has the names of all the investment options that are available. The next column is basically talking about the returns that you will be getting with these particular investment options. The third one is basically talking about the tax benefit, if at all there is any, in these investment options. The fourth one will talk about the risk that is involved in all these investment options that are available, and the minimum investment period is also mentioned in the fifth column. And the last column basically talks about the kind of investment option which will be suitable for which kind of people. I mean, if at all you are a person who is young, who is old, who is middle-aged, etc, based on your age, we will be like these kind of investment options will be suitable for your profile. So now, without a further ado, let's start. So the number one investment option over here is mutual funds. And as we all know, mutual fund investment are subject to market risk. So here the returns are also market linked. You might get 15 to 18% return. You might also end up getting 2 to 3% return, depending on how the market is performing. The tax benefit you will be getting over here, if at all you invest in ELSS based mutual funds, you'll get tax benefit under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. The risks over here are low to high, depending on the kind of investment option that you have chosen in the mutual funds, whether you have chosen equity based or debt based. Next here is that schemes like ELSS have a minimum investment period of 3 years. And who should invest in mutual fund? Anybody who's looking for a moderate to high risk appetite are basically the kind of people who can invest in these kind of mutual funds. Next here in the list is a PPF, which is basically offering you 7.1% interest rate, and the tax rebate over here basically is a tax exemption you will be getting completely under the Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, and there is absolutely no risk involved. It's a government-backed scheme. The minimum investment period is 15 years, although you can withdraw your money, half of your money, after maybe 7 or 8 years, but minimum is 15 years. Who should invest over here? People who are Indian citizens who are looking out for long-term investment options, then definitely this is the kind of investment option that you should be choosing. The next in the list is bank fixed deposit, the safest possible investment option that is available in our country today. The fixed returns they offer you, that's not based on any kind of market fluctuations, and it again varies from bank to bank. You can get in almost like up till 9% interest rate in case of senior citizens. For regular citizens, it can be 7 to 8%, depends again on the banks. Tax saving FDs basically allow you the benefit of up to 1.5 lakh rupees, and there is absolutely no risk involved. Minimum investment period is 7 days, and individuals who are willing to invest but without taking any kind of risk, for them FDs are the best option. Fourth in this list is National Pension Scheme, which is offering you 8 to 10% interest rate, and it's market linked, and it basically allows deduction under Section 80C. The risks are low to high. Its minimum investment period is 60 years, and investors who are looking out for retirement plans can basically invest in this kind of investment option. Next here is unit-linked insurance plans, which basically gives various kind of returns, depends on the portfolio, depends on the kind of option that you have chosen, and the eligibility basically you'll be getting over here is that you can get tax benefit under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. The risks here are high risk. The duration is less than or equal to 45 years, and investors who are looking out for life cover as well as wealth creation, for them, definitely this is one of the most suitable option. Gold ETF is the next here, and the returns over here are market linked. It can be treated as a debt fund and are taxed accordingly. There is low to moderate risk over here, and the minimum investment period is basically it's not applicable. I mean, it depends on the kind of option that you're choosing, and any individual can invest in this kind of investment option. Next here is Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, offering you 8.7% interest rate. You can get tax deduction under Section 80 of the Income Tax Act. There is absolutely no risk involved here. Minimum investment period is 5 years, best suitable for senior citizen. Next here is recurring deposit. 7% can be the maximum possible interest rate that you can get over here. In some cases, you can also get up till 8%. And tax rebate is not applicable. There is absolutely no risk. Minimum investment period is 6 months. And any individual who has money, who has the willingness, can definitely invest over here. Real estate is the second last option over here, which can give you up to 10 to 15% returns on your investment, depending on how long you're holding that particular property for. And you can basically be charged around 20% tax deduction on taxable income. The moderate risk is involved over here, and there's no minimum investment period. You can hold the property for as long as you want to, and any individual who has, again, the willingness or the intent and the money can invest in real estate. And last but definitely not the least, Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, which is offering you 7% interest rate, 7.7% interest rate, and the tax rebate over here is basically there is absolutely no tax rebate, and the risks over here that are involved are like no to low. And you will get here minimum investment period of around 5 years. And if at all you are a resident of India, then definitely you can easily apply in the post office investment options. So I hope you found this comprehensive video informative, and if you did, make sure you leave your thoughts and feedbacks in the comment section. And if at all you have any other further questions that are still there, then definitely you can leave them as well in the comment section. And if at all you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, then you should definitely download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 55 plus courses which are available in 6 different languages like Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. And definitely you will enjoy all these courses, and you'll be also able to learn a lot more about all these topics. And if at all you want to have any kind of other topics or other videos in your favorite topics that you want us to make, definitely you can leave the topic suggestions as well in the comment section. And if at all you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up as well. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. And my name is Fayaz. I'll see you again in the next video. Keep watching IndianMoney.com.